Foundation repair is just the start. Knowing how to keep your foundation solid after the fix is what really saves you headaches down the road. So, first off, you gotta keep an eye on your soil moisture because that's like the #1 factor affecting your foundation's health. Water your yard evenly, especially during dry spells, so it doesn't shrink and pull away from the foundation. If you live somewhere with heavy rains, make sure your gutters and downspouts are directing water at least 6 feet away from your house to avoid pooling near the foundation walls. Installing a moisture barrier around your foundation can seriously help stop water from seeping in and causing damage again. Check your landscaping too. Plants with deep roots can mess with the foundation, so keep trees and big shrubs a good distance away. You might want to consider installing a sprinkler system with timers so you don't overwater or underwater your soil. Also, after repairs, avoid heavy construction or digging near your foundation because that can cause shifting or cracks. Lastly, schedule regular inspections with a foundation specialist every few years to catch any issues early before they turn into major problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make after foundation repair is ignoring soil moisture management, which leads to uneven settling and new cracks. Fix this by setting up a consistent watering routine and using moisture barriers to keep soil stable. Another common issue is poor drainage around the home. If water pools near your foundation, it can cause serious damage fast. Make sure gutters are clean and extend away from the house to keep water flowing where it belongs. The third problem is planting trees or large bushes too close to the foundation, whose roots can push against walls and pipes. Keep landscaping in check by planting farther away or choosing plants with shallow roots, so your foundation stays safe. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who specialize in foundation repair and maintenance, making your search way easier. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid platform to find new clients and grow your business without all the hassle.